We're pretty excited with the kind of response the show has received. And this is apparently the only show that's going to happen this year in Goa. What you get to see is a wide display of anything and everything that a hotelier, a resort owner, a restaurant, a bakery cafe, a fine high street cafes, anything to do with the food service and hospitality industry, you'll find it here. We have managed to bring together close to 100 companies from across India representing the finest of national and international brands to the shores of Goa. And with the Mopa airport opening up, there's going to be a whole lot of escalation in terms of the kind of standards of service that will go up with more international traffic.
Well, it's the Goa Hospitality Show, and I think given how important food and drink is to every Indian, I think it's a must for everybody who's in hospitality to attend a show like this because it has the most incredible lineup of stalls, products.
And this type of shows is really required because the hoteliers, the cafeterias, the restaurateurs look forward for this type of a big exhibition where they can choose the best items in the industry.
Very pleasantly surprised actually that such a show was being held in Goa because it's a great place to have all this equipment and different products shown in Goa.